The Big Bang Theory is the leading scientific explanation for how the universe began and evolved. Imagine the universe today with its galaxies, stars, and planets, all originating from an unimaginably small, hot, and dense point called a singularity. Here's a step-by-step journey through the Big Bang.
The Big Bang Theory was first proposed by Georges Lemaître, a Belgian priest, physicist, and astronomer. Lemaître introduced the concept in 1927, initially calling it the hypothesis of the primeval atom. He suggested that the universe began from an extremely dense and hot state and has been expanding ever since. Lemaître published his groundbreaking idea in a scientific paper in 1931, marking the first formal scientific presentation of what would later become known as the Big Bang Theory.
About 13.8 billion years ago, all matter, energy, space, and even time itself were compressed into a single point of infinite density and temperature. Suddenly, this singularity began to expand rapidly. This wasn't an explosion into space, it was an expansion of space itself. The universe started growing, cooling, and becoming less dense as it stretched.
In the first fractions of a second, the universe was a hot soup of energy, light, and fundamental particles, quarks, electrons, etc. As it cooled, these particles combined to form protons and neutrons.
A few minutes after the Big Bang, temperatures dropped enough for protons and neutrons to fuse, forming the nuclei of the lightest elements, hydrogen, helium, and traces of lithium. Most matter remained as hydrogen nuclei.
About 380,000 years later, the universe cooled enough for electrons to combine with nuclei, forming neutral atoms, a process called recombination. Light could finally travel freely, creating the cosmic microwave background, or CMB, a faint glow we can still detect today. Gravity pulled together clouds of hydrogen and helium, forming the first stars and galaxies over millions of years. These stars created heavier elements, leading to the complex universe we see now.
The universe continues to expand today. Hubble's discovery that distant galaxies are moving away from us, and the farther they are, the faster they recede, provides strong evidence for this expansion. Key evidence supporting the Big Bang. Cosmic microwave background. The afterglow of the Big Bang detected as faint microwave radiation everywhere in the universe. Abundance of light elements. The predicted and observed amounts of hydrogen, helium, and lithium match Big Bang nucleosynthesis calculations. Universe's expansion. Hubble's law shows galaxies moving apart, indicating ongoing expansion from an initial point. The Big Bang Theory is the best model used by astronomers to explain the creation of matter, space, and time 13.7 billion years ago. The universe expanded from an extremely small, extremely hot, and extremely dense state. Since then, it has expanded and become less dense and cooler. The Big Bang Theory remains the most widely accepted explanation for the origin and evolution of the universe, supported by multiple lines of scientific evidence.
And so, from a single spark, our universe was born, expanding, evolving, and giving rise to the galaxies, stars, and planets we see today. The Big Bang Theory isn't just a story of beginnings. It's a testament to human curiosity and our quest to understand the cosmos. As we gaze into the night sky, we are looking back in time, witnessing the echoes of that first moment. The universe continues to unfold, and with every discovery, we take one step closer to unraveling its deepest mysteries. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time and space. The story of the universe is far from over, and the next chapter is waiting to be written.